All right, so let's talk about what they require. So for this form, this is about the poverty, the federal um, poverty guidelines. So basically, this is talking about the immigration form of I-134A, but this part is talking about the guideline, the income they need to in order for someone to sponsor someone to come to the U.S. Right? So I have downloaded the 2022 poverty guideline. So let's get through it. So the form is very straightforward, very self-explanatory. So let's get to it. So if sponsor household size, so if we have two people living in a house, for example, wife and husband. So and again, if you look at this one, this is for the military. You need to focus on this one if you're not in the military. So let's get to this part, which is the most important part that we need for the most part, for people that are not in the military. So for myself, let's say I have two kids, I'm married, plus myself, that's four. This is how you have to calculate it, right? This is household size, four. I'm not in the military, so I am not in the military, so that means my poverty guideline has to be 125%. So a family of four, and again, in order to support someone else. So whenever you add someone, that will be five, right? Because it's family of four plus the person you're going to sponsor to come to the US, right? So you're gonna need more. So for a family of four, you have to make in total, you and your wife have to make, or whoever works, whoever's working has to make 34,000 dollars for the year in order to bring someone. So let's say for a family of five, that means you're at four right now. That's what you need, right? So if you're gonna bring somebody else, so you have to make $40,000 in order to bring someone else to the family of four, which would become five. Does that make sense? So if you have a family of six, it's you and your wife plus four kids. You are not, if you're in the military, good for you. It's right there. So thank you for your service. If you are not, so you need to make at least $46,000 for the year, right? So let's say if you're a family of six or if you're a family of five, you want to bring someone else, right? So you have to make that amount of money per year in order to bring someone else that will make the household family size six. So as you can see here, if you're a family of six, you want to bring somebody else. So this will make the household of seven. So you're gonna need to make $52,000, right? So your family of seven, you wanna bring somebody else. So you have to. So the family size increase every time you add somebody else, right? And then here's how much you need to make in order to bring somebody else. So for example, if you have a smaller family, it's you and your wife plus one kid. This is a family of three. So if you have planned to add three more people or to sponsor three more people to come to the US, so you're gonna need six. Three plus three is six, right? So you have to make $46,000. Does that make sense? So if I'm of two, you want to add two more people, you have to make that much money. Okay, so I hope this explains everything. It's pretty clear, pretty self, explanatory. But I hope that helps. All right, thank you, guys.